If your Toshiba TV is not turning on, don't assume the TV is dead right away. In this video, I'll show you the safest fixes you can try at home before you call a repair technician. Step 1. Check the power outlet. Start with the easiest step. Make sure the power cable is firmly connected to the TV and the wall outlet. If the TV is plugged into a power strip or extension board, remove it and plug the TV directly into the wall. Then, test the same outlet with another device, like a phone charger or lamp. If that device also does not work, the issue is the outlet, not the TV. Step 2. Inspect the power cable. Now check the TV's power cable. Look for cuts, burn marks, bent pins, loose plugs, or any damage near the ends of the cable. If the cable looks damaged, do not keep using it because a damaged power cord can be unsafe. Replace it with the correct cable for your Toshiba TV model or contact support if you are not sure which one to use. Step 3. Try the manual power button. If the standby light is on, but the TV does not respond to the remote, try turning it on from the TV itself. Toshiba's support guidance recommends using the manual side control when the TV stays in standby and does not turn on with the remote. The button may be on the side, bottom, or back of the TV, depending on your model. Press it once and wait a few seconds. Step 4. Check the remote. If the TV turns on with the physical power button, your remote may be the problem. Replace the batteries with a fresh pair, make sure they are installed correctly, and clean the battery contacts if they look dirty. Also remove anything blocking the front of the TV because many remotes need a clear path to the sensor. Step 5. Power reset the TV. If the TV still will not turn on, do a power reset. Unplug the Toshiba TV from the wall outlet and wait at least 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV for around 15 to 30 seconds. This helps drain leftover power from the TV's internal circuits. After that, plug the TV back in and try turning it on again. Step 6. Remove connected devices. Sometimes an HDMI device can cause a startup problem. Unplug everything from the TV, including streaming sticks, game consoles, cable boxes, USB drives, and HDMI cables. Leave only the power cable connected. Then try turning on the TV again. If it turns on, reconnect your devices one by one to find which device or cable caused the issue. Step 7. Check the standby light. Look at the standby light carefully. If there is no light at all, the TV may not be getting power, or there may be a power board issue inside the TV. If the light is on but the screen stays black, the TV may be stuck in standby, the remote may not be working, or the screen/backlight may have a fault. If the light blinks repeatedly and the TV never starts, that can point to a hardware or power issue. Step 8. Try a different wall outlet. Move the TV plug to a different wall outlet if possible. Avoid using a surge protector for this test. A weak or faulty outlet can stop the TV from starting properly. Once the TV turns on, you can reconnect it through a good quality surge protector to help protect it from power spikes. Step 9. Look for backlight problems. If the TV seems to turn on but the screen stays black, listen for sound. You can also shine a flashlight close to the screen while the TV is on. If you can faintly see the picture, the backlight may have failed. This is not a remote or settings problem. It usually needs repair by a technician.